If you want to check if CCU has access to a specific journal, there is a way you can search by the journal title rather than by an article title in the library's databases. First, navigate to the library's homepage at ccu.edu/library. Under the Articles tab, you can click Find Journals by Title or Subject rather than searching in the search box here. It will prompt you to log in, and you use the same login you use for Brightspace or Connect. Now you simply type in the name of the journal you're looking for and click Search. Let's search for the Journal of Psychology and Theology. From here you'll get a list of what CCU has access to. If CCU does not subscribe to the journal you are looking for, then you are not going to be able to find it in any of the CCU databases. As you can see, the results page will list the date range that the journal is covered at CCU. So in this case, in the ATLA database from 1973 to the present, we have the Journal of Psychology and Theology. You simply click the hyperlink. Occasionally, you'll find a journal that is only available in what is called the CCU print holdings. What that means is that the library has a physical copy of this journal that is located in Lakewood, Colorado in the actual library. If you need access to one of these and you do not live near Lakewood, you can submit a request for that particular article to be scanned and sent to you directly through email. If you need to do so, send an email to CCULibrary@ccu.edu. To find an article in the journal, you simply click on the hyperlink here to get to the database. What it does is create a search for this specific journal within this specific database. From this page, you can access the journal by issue or year. Simply click an issue you want to see, and you can see the list of the articles. You are also able to search within this publication by simply clicking Search within this publication, which generates a search within that journal. From this page, you can simply type in part of an article's title or a keyword search and click Search. If you need help finding a known resource and the title or author search isn't working, go to the library's homepage and contact a librarian. You can do this in a number of ways, including chat. You can also schedule a Book a Librarian, which is a one-on-one appointment meeting with us. You can also send an email with the citation information to CCULibrary@ccu.edu. Thanks for listening.